All right, now I'm going to show you how to create a product, and we're going to start with a simple product, meaning that it doesn't have any type of sizes or colors or anything variable about it. So you can either click on Add Product over here under Products on the left, or you can click Add Product up here at the top if you like, whichever works for you. They both go to the same place. So for your product name, I've got a pretty picture of a flower, so I'm going to do flower print. And the more descriptive that you could be here in the title, the better. So you might want to put, let's make it a little bit more descriptive. Let's put bright orange poppy flower print. All right. And then in the description, be very descriptive to help with your search engine rankings. So anything you can put in here, the different sizes, whether or not you can have it framed, you know, who the artist is, anything like that, be sure you put it into the description box. Then you can move over here down on the right hand side and select your product categories. So let's just say it goes, you can put it in more than one product category. So just simply select the categories by placing a check mark in the box. And you can come down here and set your product image. So you can either use an image from your media library if you like, which is what I'm going to do for the main image. So I'm going to set the product image as that, which I know that's not a poppy, but it might be a daisy or a zinnia or something. And then we're going to add the gallery images. If you have multiple images you'd like to add, you can either select them from your media library or you can upload some new files. So let's just say we also want to add these two images as well. So we'll upload all, we'll let it have several images. Okay, so then add to gallery. All right, now down here, what you're going to do is put your SKU in, so whatever your SKU might be, and your regular price, let's say it's $99, and your sale price might be $75. And a neat thing you can do here is schedule when you want that sale price to be in effect. So maybe you want it to be in effect from tomorrow until January 7th. All right. And then if you want to manage inventory, this is the place to do it. Inventory over here. You want to be able to check the box for enable stock management at product level, and then tell it how many you have in stock. Now you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but there's an option for you to do this. And then you can tell it if it's in stock or out of stock, and if you want to allow back orders or not. Then over here on the left on shipping, if you're using some shipping tool, like UPS or the FedEx shipping tool or the post office shipping tool, where it automatically calculates your shipping, you have to put in a weight and the dimensions of the product. If you're using like a flat rate shipping method, you can just pick your flat rate shipping class from this drop down menu. But one way or the other, you're going to either have to pick a class or you're going to have to put in your weight and dimensions. Another neat thing you can do is you can link products. So let's just say you wanted to link this to a baseball pillow, or you could cross sell. And what these things are for is, if you've seen on websites before, you know, people who viewed this bought this, and there are people who viewed this also viewed this. So that's what this is going to do here for you. And then at that point, you're set if you're going to do just a simple product. So what you would do is go ahead and publish this product, or you could save it as a draft if you're not ready to publish. And then you can preview your changes if you want to see what it looks like in the browser, actually on the website. So right now it's just a bright orange poppy flower print, and you can see that it has a little photo gallery underneath to view the other images. Okay. And see, we linked it to that baseball legend pillow, and this is saying, you know, you may also like this pillow. And then there's the related products. All right, so now let's go back to our product and pretend this is actually a product with different sizes. So instead of selecting simple product from product data, we're going to go to variable product. And at that point, we're going to go down here to your attributes, and we're going to add a custom product attribute here. And our custom product attribute is going to be size. So this print might come in 4 by 6 inches, and then you're going to separate your different options with a vertical line, and that's actually just Shift and the / key on your keyboard. So let's say it's 4 by 6, 5 by 7, 8 by 10, and maybe 16 by 20. Those are the options for the sizes. Oop. Now, You want to make sure this box is checked, visible on the product page, and then you also want to check use for variations. So check that and then click Save Attributes. And if you had more than one attribute, then you could add another one here. So if you had sizes and colors, you can keep going. Now, then you click on Variations. And then you're going to come down here in the drop-down menu and you're going to click Create Variations from All Attributes and click Go. And this little box is going to pop up and say, are you sure you want to link all the variations? Tell it OK. And then it's going to tell you how many variations were added and click OK. Now, it's very important here. The variations will not show up on your website, which can be very frustrating until you add the prices. So even if it's the same price at the different variations, so let's say it was the shirt was green and black and red and blue, and they all have the same price, you still have to put the variation price. So if they're all $15, you want to put them in here as all $15. But if not, then you can go in here and change the price for each one. And if you want to show a different image for each product, let's say that, like I said, if it was a green shirt, you can upload your green shirt picture here. And if it's a red shirt, you can upload your red shirt picture. Let's do this instead. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. So for the 16 by 20, I'm going to use the hydrangea picture, and it's $99. And for the 8 by 10, I'm going to say it's $75, and I'm going to upload, we'll use the yellow picture. All right, and then we're going to add a price. Let's just add a price for these two down here so they'll show up. And the 4 by 6, we're just going to say it's $5. All right, so after you have the price in for each one of them, then you can come up and update it. Now you also see here you can update the sale price. You can update the SKU if it has a different SKU than the actual base product. And if, like I said again, if you're calculating your shipping based on the weight and the dimensions, you're going to need to update each variation here. If it's the shipping class, then it's going to pull it. If you're doing something like flat rate shipping, it's going to pull the same as the parent if you want it to. All right, so after you get those variations updated, come up here and click Update. And then you may click Preview Changes. Let's see if this thing worked for us. All right, here you go. So you have your bright orange poppy flower print. Now let's see, for the 4 by 6 version, it's just $5. 5 by 7 is $10. 8 by 10, you see the picture changed over here, is $75, and the 16 by 20 is $99, and the picture changed. So there you go. So that's how you put in products that are simple or that have variations with them. And while we're talking about products, I'm going to go ahead and go over coupons under WooCommerce. If you come down and go to coupons, let's say you wanted to add a coupon for some orders. So you can click on here and add coupon, and then whatever you want your coupon code to be. Let's call it New Year. All right, and this is going to be save 10% on your New Year order. If you want to put a description, you don't have to. So you can pick here if you want it to be a cart discount, a cart percentage discount, a product discount, or a product percentage discount. So I'm going to say it's a cart percent discount. So the coupon amount might be $10. And you can also do a free shipping coupon here if you want to. So so you can check the free shipping if you want to. You don't have to. And your expiration date, you want to just select whatever you think it might be. And then if you have any usage restrictions, if there's a minimum or a maximum spend level, if it cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons, you can exclude sale items if you like to. You can set this product to only the coupon to only certain products, or it might exclude certain products, or you might set the coupon to only certain product categories, or you might exclude certain categories. So there's all kinds of neat little things you can do. And then usage limits, you might say per coupon there might be, you're only going to allow it 100 times. And if you ever have any questions, you can hover over the little question mark and it gives you a lot of good details. And then a usage limit per user. So you can you can do, you can limit it if you want to, how many ever times you want to limit it per user. So after you have your coupon created, then you can go ahead and publish it, and that is going to create a coupon that your customers can use, and you can advertise it on your website. You could send out a mass email, put it on a billboard or in a newspaper ad, anything like that you want to do. And the good thing is, once it meets its expiration date, then it'll go ahead and automatically cut off. You don't have to worry about going in there and updating that. So that's how you create a coupon as well.